Look at this cool straight hair. This is the Tymo. It has a straightening section here, and then you have that comb part here. Now this does get really hot. I have it at 410, but it has an anti-scald technology, which means I can put my hand on there and it's not gonna burn. It does come with a brush. Definitely recommended wear a glove when you use the Tymo because your hair gets really, really hot. So here is our before. Let's keep it at the highest heat. Pretty good. So you also have the option just to use it as a straightening iron. It glides really, really well. Wow. So you can comb down like this, which works really, really well. Or you can face it up and bring it through that way. So both methods work so well. And you'll see how fast this works. So again, oh, it's hot. This is why you want to wear the glove, because your hair gets so hot. Also, look at the difference. Wow. I think it's so cool that this one has that additional straightening plate underneath. So you have multiple options how you want to straighten your hair. Okay, I'm going to switch the glove to the other hand, and we'll get this other side nice and sleek. This is cool because when you travel, now you have all your hair tools in one. And once I learn how to curl with it, it's gonna be such a game changer. Okay, and that is how fast this works to get your hair. Oh, I'm getting a knot out here in the back. Hold on. That's the other thing I like. It gets out all your tangles because it's basically a comb. Wow, okay. Look at this cool straight hair.